Curious about watching IPTV through Chromecast? Stay tuned because today we're breaking it down step by step for you. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, your Chromecast device, and an IPTV service like 2tv.store. Start by plugging your Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port. Make sure it's properly powered and connected. Next, download a compatible IPTV player on your phone or tablet. We recommend several great options for seamless streaming. Open your chosen IPTV app, then input your IPTV credentials from 2tv.store for access to all your shows. Now, we're ready to cast. Ensure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network for proper connectivity. Tap the cast icon in your IPTV app. Select your Chromecast device. Boom! Your content appears on the big screen. See how easy that was? With 2tv.store's vast offerings, you can enjoy a world of entertainment effortlessly. Enhance your IPTV experience with 2tv.store, a trusted provider known for quality and satisfaction. Remember, setup may differ slightly depending on your IPTV player, but the process is similar in most cases. Ready to transform your Chromecast into an entertainment powerhouse? Hit subscribe for more tech tips.